Welcome to Beat in a Bowl! Today we'll be making homemade pizza crust. These are the ingredients you'll need. Our first step is to combine our dry ingredients. This is going to be combining 1 packet of instant yeast, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 3.5 cups of flour. You can use all-purpose flour if you want a chewier crust, or you can use bread flour if you want a crispier pizza crust. Be sure to use the scoop and sweep method so that you're getting an accurate measurement of flour.
Next, you're going to be slowly adding 1.5 cups of water. Do this while the mixer is turned on low so that it doesn't splatter everywhere. After the water is well mixed in, you're going to slowly add 2 tablespoons of olive oil while the mixer is on as well. At the end of this process, the dough should come together and not be too sticky. Up next, we're going to be kneading our dough. For this, we're going to want to use our dough hook attachment on our mixer. You're going to want to do this until it is smooth in texture. You could also do this process by hand.
Once your dough is kneaded, oil the walls of the bowl so that during the proofing stage, the dough will not stick to the bowl.
Up next is proofing our dough, so cover your bowl with a plastic wrap or a warm towel and place your bowl into a warm spot for 1 hour.
After 1 hour, your dough should have almost doubled in size. So at this point, we're going to take it out of its bowl and place it onto either a pizza stone or whatever you're going to be using to cook it in the oven. When you place it on there, you're going to split the dough into 2 separate pieces. Your second piece you can set aside for a later date.
Before you continue, preheat your oven to 425 degrees.
Now you're going to start to create your pizza. So to do this, you're going to want to stretch your dough out into a pizza shape. Whatever that means for you is whatever shape you can go with. We tried to go with a circular shape, which turned out to be a little harder to do, but you could also do a rectangle, a triangle, really whatever shape you want to go with.
After your crust is in the shape that you like, we're going to begin building up our pizza. Do this by spreading out your favorite pizza sauce to all corners of the crust. Now we get into the soul of the pizza. Begin adding your cheese. Really load it on there. Mozzarella, Parmesan, whatever you feel like. After we've added the sole, now we're going to begin accessorizing our pizza. Do this with any sort of a topping that you'd like, peppers, pepperoni, more cheese, whatever you want. Now we make it Italian with garlic powder and Italian seasoning.
Place your pizza in the oven and let it cook for 15 minutes. Your pizza is done when the crust is golden brown and the cheese is all melted.
I know it's tempting, but let it cool and rest for 5 minutes before you start cutting into it. After those painful 5 minutes, you can begin cutting it up and serving it to your friends and family.
Want more videos? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Beat in a Bowl.